squared. And this is going to be 3t plus 2u, 3t minus 2u. So now we see that 4 is 2 times 2, and we're going to cancel this one and this one. And one of the twos goes away, so we're left is 2 times 3t plus 2u, or multiply it out. 2 times that is 6t, that times that 4u. So 6t plus 4u. 6t plus 4u, that's it. Find excluded values and state the domain. Alright, so the only way this will be undefined is if this bottom denominator, bottom of this quotient is 0. So we set the bottom, x plus 4 equals 0, the bottom of it equals 0. Solve it, minus 4 minus 4, so x equals negative 4. So if you put negative 4 in here, you can get negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 6 over 0 is undefined. So the domain is any number x, the set of x such that x is not equal to what? Negative 4. That's the domain. Anything you want, but don't use negative 4. Find the excluded values and state the domain. Same thing. Look at the bottom of it, because you don't want to get 0 down here, because it'll be undefined. So set the bottom, denominator equal to 0. 6y equals that, divide by 6, divide by 6, so y equals 0. So this one says, if you put 0 here, you're going to have 6 times 0, 0 on the bottom, undefined, the denominator. So domain is y, so that y is never going to be what? 0. Find excluded values and state the domain. Same thing. You don't want the bottom to become 0, because you're going to have something over 0. It's going to be undefined. So set the bottom, x squared minus 11x plus 30, denominator equals 0. Factor it out. And I'm saying that 6 and 5 works. Let's see. That times that is plus 30. That's going to be negative 11. And that's going to be x squared. Good. So x minus 5 equals 0. X minus 6 equals 0. So we have add 5 to both sides of this thing. And are these going to go away? They are right there. So what's left over is 5. And these are going to be gone. So we have 6. So we have 5 and 6. Now, if you put 5 and you put 6 in here, this thing is going to become what? 0. We don't want to use those numbers, because it'll make it become 0 on the bottom of the denominator. So domain is x, so the x is never going to be 5, or x is never going to be what? 6. LCD is 4x. So multiply everything by what? 4x, 4x, 4x. Divide. X divides x, gone. So you have 4 left over. 4 divides 4, gone. X left over. X divides x, gone. So you have 4 times 4. So this is going to be 24 minus 1. X is that. So minus 24, both sides. These are gone. Minus 1x equals negative 8. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So x equals what? 8. Alright. LCD, y plus 2, y minus 2. So multiply across this times all of it. All of it. So we're going to do, and then this one, y squared minus that is going to be a squared minus b squared, which is going to be y plus 2, y minus 2. In fact, let me write that for a minute right here so you can see it. A squared minus b squared is a plus a b, a minus a b. Okay, just because I didn't put it in there, but now there it is. So now we have all this set up. So multiply everything by y plus 2, y minus 2, y plus 2, y minus 2, y plus 2, y minus 2. And notice that these cancel. And notice that these cancel. And notice that all these cancel. So what's left over is this. 2 y plus minus 2 minus 5 times that. There's 10. So that times 2y minus 4 minus 5y minus 10. Put these together. Minus 3y minus 14 is this. Add 14, add 14. So negative 3y equals 24. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equals negative 8. Okay, you multiply by the LCD to get that to happen, okay? Alright, next one. Solve for P. So, multiply everything by 2, 2, 2, all the way across. 2's cancel here, so you have 2L equals P minus 2W. So now add 2W to both sides. So 2L plus 2W, and these are gone. So 2L plus 2W equals P, or P equals 2L plus 2W, like the perimeter of a square or rectangle. Another literal equation. Solve for A. The LCD of this is going to be AB. Multiply by AB, AB, AB. That's a 1 right there if you want to think of it that way. So AB times that, AB times that, AB times that. So now A's cancel, B's cancel. We're left with 1B, 1A equals CAB. Or B plus A equals CAB. Minus A minus A. So now we have B equals CAB minus A. Now factor out the A. See, A times that CAB, A times that negative A. Now we can divide the left side, right side by what? CB minus 1, CB minus 1. These are cancel. So we're going to have B over CB minus 1 equals A. Or we can flip it around, let's see. It's either CB or B over BC minus 1 on the bottom. So this one or this one are good. Okay, that's the end of part 2, online TSI. Okay, this is the online TSI practice 182 part 2. And I'm going to stop right there. Good luck, good luck, good luck.